Lamoro?
Ito yung pala yun.
Yan.
Ito.
Diba?
Cold brew? Okay naman.
Grabe ang dark ng kilay ko. Hello,
Hindi naman.
diba?
Oo, hindi naman.
Pero kasi bagay pa ako. Coffee.
Kaya nga, gagawin naman kayo
Oo, di ba apple?
Coffee.
Kasi kayo ang malaking pumasalon dahil si Ampo. Kabara.
Ay, hindi ka kita.
Oh guys,
Kain.
who wants croissants? Oh, there's a bun.
Croissant.
Kasama sa order.
Kasama yan sa order. Kasama sa order.
Ano yan?
Kahit ano.
Wala akong ano.
Bye daw,
Ano
mama daw.
yan? Tawag yung sila.
Ano yan?
Hindi nalungkot siya kasi di ba umalis ako, nag-kiss lang ako, hindi ko siya ginising. Sumunod siya.
This is
Looks like a
a
chocolate.
croissant. What?
Croissant.
Croissant pala.
Oo
Croissant.
nga.
Sabi ng mama daw. Mama dong,
Yes.
ano to?
Ay, that's pandiregla. Kaya lang,
Yung totoo.
hindi ko alam din. Ako pa
Sabihin mo na.
Croissant?
And it's croissant.
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 Chinese pala yan. Croissant.
It's French.
Ano siya?
Croissant.
Croissant.
So, ang tanga pala natin pag umorder tayo sa Starbucks, croissant kami ng croissant.
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 Guys, ano pala yun? Croissant.
Croissant. Guys, ha? Croissant.
Ang hirap
Daw?
naman ng cream.
Croissant.
Son?
Tapos, yung
Croissant.
guyabano.
Bahala ka. Ayoko na to. Sabi ko sa'yo, pandiregla na lang.
Gusto pala.
Diba?
Oo. Croissant. Ba't ibang style ng croissant?
Hindi kusot. Hindi kusot.
Bilis naman mawala sa mood yung
Diba?
prinsesa ng Enrico.
Ano daw?
Hindi lang ma-pronounce. Ayaw na niya.
Yan lang.
Kusot.
Croissant.
Croissant.
Chinese pala to eh. Kusot.
Di ba nga, croissant? Ewan ko ba dyan?
Croissant.
Croissant. Yung
Gaya-gaya
guyabano.
siya ng kulay,
Hindi
guys.
parang
Sour
ano.
soup.
True.
Dance and ilong. Croissant.
Croissant.
Yon.
Croissant. Parang
Kusot.
Chinese na.
Diba
French.
Chinese?
Oo.
Ano, French.
Kusot.
French pala yung croissant.
So, order ka kunyari, mama.
Ito,
Ay,
maginis.
give me one croissant. Ang pangit.
Okay, hello, good morning. Ganun pa, dali.
Hi, good morning. I want to order one croissant. Alam mo, dapat mag-order ka nakachinita ka kasi parang Chinese eh.
Hindi, French yun.
African pa yun.
Aray ko,
Pero
mama.
sounds like Chinese.
Ito. Ano ito? Ito?
Diba?
Or ito?
Ay, in fairness, tama daw si Chris.
Tama.
Kusot.
Croissant.
Isa pa, gusto ko ta mag-order. Ang
Mama, I
cute.
want to order one croissant. Parang inchi.
Oh, sige. I-dare natin. Pag next Starbucks natin, mag-order ka ng ganyan.
Ako order, isang ate, pahingin niya, isang croissant.
Hinalong Tagalog tsaka French.
Aray ko.
Ang pangit. Ay,
Puso.
nawala na sila, bla.
Uy, musog ka dito kasi hindi ka nila kita. Yes.
Nagdip na sila, bro.
Ayan.
Mahilig ako pag ginuhat niya.
Gusto ko ikaw na o-order nito, mas magaling ka mag-pronounce.
Ay, kesang,
Ito.
hindi kesang.
Diba, no?
Oo. Another croissant.
Can I have one kusot?
Aling gusto mo dito?
Tama yung kay Chris, ha ha ha.
Hindi ko alam.
Mali yung sa akin.
Sige,
Ito yung-
share lang. Kukurot-kurot lang tayo dyan, guys.
Aliw.
Guys,
So, guys, here we have different kinds of croissant.
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 Louisa Robert.
Parang may bara sa
Ganyan gusto
ilong.
ng croissant?
Oo nga, croissant.
Parang may bara sa ilong. Do you want
parang
croissant?
napilitainin.
Parang may bara yung ilong ko, guys.
Eileen Vidal.
Croissant.
Kaya gusto mo ng croissant?
Yeah, they're very, very.
Gusto niyo croissant?
Diba, croissant?
Croissant.
Croissant. Would you like to try the croissant?
What kind of croissant is that?
Okay.
Pangungot.
Diba?
Parang pangungulo
Would you like
yan
to
eh.
try croissant?
It's
I
croissant.
would like to try croissant because it's my first time.
It's your
Uy,
first
Mayor.
time to try croissant.
Parang barok na yung English. Parang
Yes. Ito Mayor
Parang
na
ano?
Lagonoy, Camarines.
Okay, would you like to try
Would
this?
you mind to give me some? Honey?
Mayor Janine. Mayor Jeb. Mayor
I will
Gigi.
share it to them.
Tayo ng
So, we have the,
Lagonoy.
I get the
miss
reviews.
Lagonoy.
You got the
Malapit
Yeah.
na
Get
po ang
the
Laguna
views.
Festival. So this
The English
coming
challenge
April
pala
po,
starts
nakapusan.
now.
Ay, English.
Hindi, joke.
Mama, don't stop
Mama,
it.
don't,
English
Mama, don't.
challenge starts
English
now.
Ay,
challenge
English challenge starts now?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So don't,
Oh my
don't
God,
speak Tagalog
guys.
from
We
now.
have an English challenge. We will not
Guys.
speak Tagalog.
Yeah. Gusto daw niya ng English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One-
Mayor, we want
1
I
hour
want to
English
visit
challenge.
again
1 hour lang
Laguna.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko
The
ha?
people there are
Ng
so
puso
ko
ngayon.
charming.
I'm not
and they're
feeling
so
well.
Yan.
Ang sarap
Biglang-
ng
I'm not feeling well,
Yan.
Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Ay, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where
speak
did you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Lerderas, you messaged me in my messenger or my, yes.
I
Yes.
chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh, they
you
order
messaged
our-
me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my. Can we stop this already?
I
This
think you
live?
guys sound good. You
No.
sound good.
I think I want to stop
my
the
God.
live.
No,
Yeah.
keep it going.
We don't need to...
They don't
use
need to
the,
hear
ano,
this. Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look.
This
They
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.
You're.
We want this something private.
Isa tayo, Mayor, ha?
Chris
Mag-iingat
Lawrence.
palagi
You sound.
Mayor.
I think you
Yes,
sound
I-
amazing.
Ay,
Did I,
amazing.
mate?
Oh my God. Did I? Am I?
Napakabait ang Mayor ng Laguna.
Oh my
Sound
gosh.
fabulous.
Oh my
Where did you
gosh.
buy the croissant? It's across the
No,
street?
it's not croissant. It's
It's
croissant.
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 Croissant?
Quoi?
Quoi?
Croissant.
Ah, croissant.
Croissant.
Bonjour.
Oh my God.
Bonjour.
Bonjour mo siya?
Bonjour mo
Merci.
siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya.
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya.
Gracias.
Aya.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
Mali,
si Marcel. Kung ano sabi mo, no, wanang
No,
kakuros.
Japanese. No Japanese. Don't speak.
Scotch.
No, don't speak Japanese.
She can't able to
We
speak
will-
English, so that's why she speaks Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, shock.
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Chris,
us
can you mute
yourself? Speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they
Because-
want to hear.
Ah,
We shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. A drink. Yeah.
I thought you need
Yo.
tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too
That's-
early for
that's the-
mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
the English will be
Red
ano,
or-
more.
them
Red
to
horse.
speak English, no
I
Tagalog.
might kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so
Yes,
tama.
he
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
The tama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan Dodo.
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking
Ay.
about?
hey, guys,
Oh,
come
sorry,
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong. Hey,
I
this is
There's a punishment.
This
When
is
you
guys. I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Doming. This
Hello.
is Douglas, and
I-
here we have.
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
Oh my God, we will English.
that's their new name.
If there's 3
The English
Ks,
is...
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.
to go to the bathroom
You need to.
hours.
I think
I think see you in the farm.
I want to rest because it's my second day of period and
Hi,
I'm not
Daddy.
really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the palenque.
Want us to
You're
English.
going to the palengke.
speak English
Only.
also in Palengke.
Oh, si Ate Claudia, nakayod eh.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after
What
this
will you say
and
if you're going to buy kangkong or ingredients?
I would like to have some kangkong. How much does it cost?
No.
Would you
Can I
mind?
buy one
Would you
can?
mind to tell me how much is the
Can I
bundle
buy
of
one
kangkong?
can?
I'll finish your croissant and then we're going now.
Diba?
It is in swimming.
Hey ate, I would like to buy kangkong. How much is the bundle?
Wow.
May bundle na.
Yeah, bundle.
Ay.
You know.
Yes.
It seems you have a good sleep, ah. That's why you speak more English.
Oh my
English.
gosh,
Dear.
I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up at like I slept at 9 p.m. and then I woke up at 11 and then Mr. B went to my
Oh my
room
God.
and
Mr.
he
B
gave
went.
me
the
he just
room?
gave me NyQuil so I
gave her
can
something to
sleep. Yeah, cause someone well,
Farted.
I don't know.
Hindi.
Nothing. It's okay. I just sleep after
No,
that.
someone
Hey
farted.
guys, you hear,
Someone farted.
You hear what
Yeah.
he said?
Last night.
Yes.
Mr. B last night.
That's why I
go to
couldn't
the room
sleep.
of
Someone
Mr.
farted.
Who was that?
I think
Yeah.
that girl. She was beside me, keep on laughing, and then
Farted?
farted. Yeah.
Farted.
Yeah.
Farted
You know what's
means-
farted?
Yeah. The one you there and the other one there. There's farted.
Yeah. You know
Farted, no?
Yes.
Farted.
What a bright girl.
Oh,
Yes.
And if there's a lot of music danceable, that's farting. You dance. That's farting.
Ah.
Party ding.
Yeah, farting.
Yes.
The
So
English
that's
is
why
so very
I
nice.
couldn't sleep last night.
See? O, di ba?
Yes, simply Mitch. I've been in
See,
Japan.
the
There's a lot of vocabulary that you can hear.
Yeah,
Mama
but my
Dodong.
English is just
1998 to 2000.
help.
Pass.
Mr. B is so handsome, yeah.
We will chat.
Yeah. It's
Delilah.
little bit. Bitsy.
A little bit of
A little bit.
Monica.
Yes.
You hold the beat, you hold the beat. See?
Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my my post that I couldn't sleep. Someone is thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Beat. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he went to my room and he gave me NyQuil.
To all the Peculian family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can
that.
Don't speak Tagalog ah.
You see? You hear that, Mommy Cans? Mrs. B told, Miss B told Mr. B
I think I don't-
go to the room
I'll
last
try.
night. Then?
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
They
croissant.
eat croissant.
Alright, so...
AJ, gusto niyo?
You hear the
Batiklaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course.
Fantastic,
I
baby.
like
Wanna
it.
try?
Whoa, fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
it's so the crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
I
a
saw
little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my God, the
gosh.
croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hey, don't put your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
go
oh,
here
you're
in the
right.
croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I'd like,
Would you
yes.
call him?
Ferds.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What?
Ay,
It's delicious and very nice. I like it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so flaky. I love the buttery taste and the flakiness. It's so perfect.
I think I ate some
That's,
sand.
that's Mr. Beast want us to English only.
Yeah.
Policy, policy.
Because the English
We
only.
English, the policy is English only. No Tagalog.
But I think
No. I know.
no Nihongo.
Japan, Nihongo.
I think we're gonna sleep so
Japanese.
early because our brain is so
It's empty.
functioning right now.
But it's okay.
Our
because
brain
we
is
have
stopped
coffee.
raining.
We
This is
have
not coffee. This
What
is
it?
chai.
Chai. Coffee.
Mine's coffee.
And
This
aside
is
from
masala chai. Do you
Yeah,
know
also-
what's masala chai?
Chris, strike two. You said
They
loose.
they sala the chai, so you can drink it so smoothly.
Ako pa yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is it?
because they sala the masala chai.
Oh.
They
How about the
sala.
skin of Mama Dog? It's smooth.
Guys, do you know this masala chai?
It's flaky.
Yes, this drink. Who knows this?
It's so.
Who knows this? They sala the masala chai, so you can drink it smoothly.
Hi, good.
Yeah.
How are
Cheers.
you? Yes. They're making. Oh my God, what's the English that?
Naging charades.
They make it.
Like that. Not only.
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
What?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is like
Giddy.
Mama Dong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 Yeah, they're giddy.
They're giddy.
Yes, it's limited to the ID.
Of course, our English is only limited, so
Can
don't
you send us
expect too much,
English?
guys.
Guys, can you send us
Because
dictionary?
More English.
there's no stored words on my brain.
But
A
unfortunately,
little bit only.
everyone knows
But
that
for
I
Mr. B,
really
we will
believe
do it.
Ay,
Diba?
daw?
Yeah,
Right?
Ano sa?
the
What did Mama
children
Mataw
is
say?
our future now.
What are you...
Teach them well.
Mama
and
Dong,
let
what
them
are you...
lead the way. We will teach them well.
Hey, can you please stop?
Yeah.
You lower your voice.
Stop, look, and listen.
People are looking at us, Mama Dong, because of
goodness.
your voice so loud. My gosh.
It's so...
I'm fed up.
Oh my God, Mama Dong, security is coming.
security is coming.
Yes.
Oh, guys, you
I
better
think
go
they will
there.
get you and show you the
You
ocean.
better go there.
Hi guys. Are you guys enjoying?
No.
Are you guys having a good time
No.
there?
No, please. I can't be myself. I want to be myself. I want to speak Tagalog because I'm a Filipino.
You have 45 minutes on the challenge.
I am a Filipino.
How many minutes?
I
45
am a
minutes.
Filipino.
Mama
Not
Dong,
long.
Yeah.
we are a Filipino. We want to speak Tagalog.
But, oh my God, that's basic speaking English.
Oh my
Only
God.
45 minutes? Why don't you
Make
whole
it.
day? That's why we will sleep whole day.
And then,
Palengke challenge na.
Oh, so we're going to Palenque. We still have 2 croissants.
let's ask if the market is open.
Oh, we don't,
Oh, yeah,
I think we
that's
don't know,
good
but
Let's ask first.
we need to check.
Yes.
We're gonna check if the market is open. But where's Iwa?
Where's Kuya?
The market is...
The
not
market is
marketing.
floating?
Yes.
The
Not
market,
marketing.
guys,
Because this is...
do you know that if the market is open? Or Mama Dong said the market is marketing now?
Not marketing today.
I'm not-
I think it's gonna be a good challenge. Palenque,
Better.
and you have to order in English.
Why? Why
Right,
do you
guys?
have to order? Why don't you order for us?
Because we're still in the English only challenge, so we should go to the Palenque so we can order in
And let's
English.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Whatever.
But I think it's Friday. The market
If
is
there's
not
no
marketing
market,
today.
let's go to supermarket. The grocery.
It's not marketing today. It's Friday. And
Let's
it's
go.
Black Friday. No, not Black. Blue Friday.
Oh,
you're wearing blue together. So it's Blue Friday.
It's Good Friday, Mama.
Hey, thank you so much,
Blue
guys. We love you.
We will make Jowa challenge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, we will.
Oh, with
With him and with him.
I will Jowa challenge with
sorry, I just burped.
Guys, I will go Jowa
Excuse me,
challenge.
there's no other outlet.
Yes.
Look. Ay, oh my God, Mama Dong.
Let's Kuya, you ask Kuya if the market is open.
We're there.
We're
We're
there.
there.
We're there.
Kuya,
Kuya.
is the market marketing today or no? Because it's Friday, holiday.
The market is
The market,
open.
the market is
let's
marketing
see.
today.
No,
It's
they're
not marketing.
asking if the market is open.
Because it's Friday, no marketing, right?
Oh,
Oh,
they
they're
Where?
open.
Really, huh?
Town?
really have.
In town. Let's
Really
go.
have-
I doubt.
Oh, you doubt.
But we will...
You better
we will
stay there,
go there.
Dodo.
Oh, you better stay here and take care
Because
of
we
baby.
just started English
We will
only,
go there.
Let's go.
And don't
Ano? Don't say ano.
Yeah, what's ano?
What?
Ano? I said it's unknown.
Ano?
Unknown.
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 You,
Not
your
ano.
hearing not good.
Yeah, your hearing is not good. I just said
hearing not
unknown. Yeah.
You better hearing aid your ear.
Hey,
you better aid your ear.
Mama Dong.
They are so noisy. I will list down the noisy.
Uy, 50.
Is the market
15.2.
marketing today, Mama Dong?
I don't
Yes,
think
the
so.
market is marketing today.
We
Yes.
will go there.
We will go to the market
Kuya Ian
today.
said it's
Yes, what?
open.
Oo nga eh.
We're gonna buy
Love you,
some
baby.
stuff because we're gonna have poodle fight later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna prepare some food for us. Because we're not senoritas.
Doon ka manggagaling sa ilalim ng pit. You go there in the sun.
Where's Katie?
Okay guys, I think
Let's go.
my brain is
Shall
low
we?
back. I think I'll see you later or I don't know, maybe tomorrow if
Mr. Bean,
the English only turn off.
Yes.
See? Because,
I think she sounds good. Diba guys?
yeah, she sounds good, but
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
I'm not.
She's
my
prepared.
gosh. What are you guys trying to say?
oh my God.
I don't want to speak English. I am a Filipino. I'm proud Pinoy.
Yeah, because we will
But
rock
English is
you.
our second language.
But I am a pure Pinoy. Pinay.
Yeah, because
Zodo is pure Pinoy and you are pure Pinay.
That's why I love Pinoy.
yes, last the
Because
other
when you're a
day.
Filipino, you're Pinoy. You love
We used to
Pinoy.
eat Pinoy.
Yeah.
You eat the other day the penoy in Marimay. We eat that.
What do you love the most are of this trip?
Mr. B,
Ken,
what do you love the most about this trip?
Say hi, Yan Yan.
Hello everyone.
Christina.
How's your day today? It's
Wait, is that
Friday,
Christina?
guys.
The day
Christina.
today is
Christina.
so beautiful in the beach.
Yeah. Where is love?
Thank you so much, Luisa Roberts.
I'm sorry, Mary Joy Arias. I don't
Of course you
understand.
don't, dear.
You're typing
Oh, it's
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
And
This is a...
But
This
this
is-
is may challenge.
no, you need to
If-
type English.
I know, because if we're
I
in a...
don't understand
If we're in a
you.
challenge, then you guys are kasama in the challenge
Of
also.
course. Don't
Yes na lang sila
speak
secret.
Tagalog.
Yes.
You two also sakit brain. Not only me.
Not only me, not
Not
us.
us.
There
You guys.
You're part of
join.
the family.
You
So
are part of the family.
Come on, guys. We're,
Let's help each other.
we're sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, you
Sama-sama
ask
tayo.
ChatGPT and you type. Just copy paste what you want to say. What about us? Who commented? Do we speak? Of course.
Yes, you guys too.
You guys too.
We're all together in this. Okay?
You know, guys, I am squeezing my brain right now. I cannot take this
How are you
anymore.
squeezing?
How do you squeeze?
Squeezing like
push the
a
limit.
clothes with super
With water?
water, and I'm super squishing the water.
So you...
And my
my
brain,
brain
is
is just
so. I have migraine on. I really need
They look like
medicine.
high school.
My brain is not braining.
My brain is not functioning.
My brain is not brainy.
Both of them are high school.
High schooling.
Yeah.
But you have kuliling.
Yeah. I'm Pililing.
You have
Feeling.
Thank
sililing.
you so much, Maritachi.
I think we need to.
Yes, why?
I think we need to
Where
cover...
Ay, that's my
Chris,
mark.
where's
yeah.
my brother?
Your brother is over there.
Can you ask him
And-
where's Iwa?
Oh, let's show them what our breakfast was. Our breakfast was
Sour
the
soup.
sour sop.
Sour
We
sauce.
have sour sop for breakfast.
Hey Chris,
Hey,
someone there, read it.
Chris is doing Taglish comments
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah.
You don't do
I'm
that
sorry.
to us.
We
with
punish
us.
you.
You
We spunk you.
You know.
That's bad. This is your content. I don't like this.
Okay, guys, English
Yeah.
only.
They're diminishing the reminisceable past.
Sabihin mo later.
What did you say? This
Later.
is great interaction with the viewers. And the concept was speaking English only.
Oh, see?
You ask them kung
But
okay lang sa
It was your idea. We just executed it. So thank you guys.
Kasama.
18K viewers.
That's Kuya Ian.
What's up?
That's
no,
Kuya
guys,
Ian.
this is
Kasi
not
pinag-
funny.
So
This
cute
is
ni Miss
not
Kat. So funny. Ha 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 ha.
Don't worry.
fabulous.
Katie is with Kuya
I don't
Ian.
like this anymore.
Katrina si-
I think she